Hey guys, today we are installing the Catback from Tuneplus with the muffler. They have a version without the muffler. I'm pretty sure it's a bit louder. I'm still running the OEM Cat and the car is not tuned, so this is me just going over the exhaust. I messed up the original intro. This tool here sucks, so don't use it. So eventually I got annoyed and just used the Sawzall after I tried to use that pipe cutting tool. It would work if I had more patience, but I don't, so I didn't use it. This is the block off for the active exhaust. The Catback doesn't use it. You guys might know this already, but the exhaust is only held up by a V-band clamp and then exhaust hangers throughout. So hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Donzo! Now this can come out, and the only thing that looks like it's being held up by is one exhaust hanger and a bolt. So I'm gonna pull the muffler out by taking that guy out, and then those two, and hopefully I don't drop it on myself. Oh, there it goes. And now we drop it. The sunlight is not helping. So this right here is a 16 millimeter. And oh boy. There we go. And we're free. You can see the difference in size. This is the 3-inch all the way back, and this is whatever size Ford made with this resonator that literally crushes the pipe. And then here's the gigantic muffler, and this is how big the muffler is on the Tuneplus part, so it shouldn't quiet the car down too much, and you can literally see right through it. Alright, so they give you this part to couple onto the V-band clamp here, and that connects the rest of the exhaust. So hardest part is getting this in. Alright, got this in. time to start tightening all this stuff down, or getting it snug so I can put in the rest of the exhaust. Okay, time for the perfect. Looks sweet. Gotta put that in, clean the exhaust, and then the muffler, or the exhaust tip. And she is in. I just got to tighten down all the clamps and make sure that there aren't any leaks after I fire it, and then we're gonna get some sound clips. I'll show you stock sounding and the new Tuneplus muffler version on cold start and everything. Alright guys, so that was the install of the Tuneplus exhaust. It was super simple. It only took me like maybe an hour and a half start to finish. Drove around a bit, as you guys saw. It had really good characteristics for exhaust. There's no drone when you're cruising with the muffler. I'm not sure about the non-muffler version, but I like it a lot. So it takes like 30 pounds out of the car. The cracks and pops are great. I'm not tuned yet, so the car is basically on a stock tune, OEM cat. It runs really well. I've noticed the car feels lighter since it's missing a lot of exhaust weight. But I also got the version, as you guys saw, with the blue tips, and it's super light. The only problem I see is I might lose some miles per gallon since the aerodynamics are not here anymore due to the exhaust missing. So I might have to fab up something that kind of acts as a diffuser from here to the rear end cradle. So thanks for watching. If you got this far, like and subscribe. I got Mustang content coming up, and possibly suspension and wheels and tires and brakes for the RS. So thanks guys, bye.